If x is a positive quantity, then what is the value of x? So this some brackets are given to us, right? So we have to solve brackets. So let us think of this. Seems to be easy. 1 cube of 12 is 1728 plus 1 minus 1000, right? Or it is 1728 plus 1 is 1729 minus 1000. So this bracket will give us 729. Okay. Now this 243 x square plus 4 divided by, okay, this minus 1 by 2. So this is your multiplication. So you have to prefer, or here we have a division, right? So in BODMAS rule, what we do is we solve brackets first, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So I can see here we have multiplication, here we have division. So 60 divided by 6 will give us 10. Half of 10 is 5. So this is 5 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 3, right? Okay. 243 and 729, right? So if you're familiar with the numbers, 243 is divisible by 9. 3 plus 4 is, let's do it here. 243 x square plus 4 divided by 729. This minus 5 we can take minus 5 to this side, it will become plus 5 minus 2 by 3. Fine. Okay. So is it a multiple of 9? Because this is 9 cube, right? So 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. This is also 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9. If the sum of digits are divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Okay. So 9 to 18, 6, 63, 9 7 is this. 9 8 is this, 9 1 is this. 9 3 is 27, 9 9 is this. 3 1 is this, 3 3 is 9. 1. So very good, amazing. X square plus 4 divided by 3, right? Divided by 3 is equal to 3 into 5, 15 minus 2, 13 by 3. This will be 13 by 3. This goes out, right? 3 will go here and will divide, so it is being divided. Okay, so x plus 4 is equal to 13, or x square is equal to 13 minus 4. So x square is equal to 9, or x is equal to 3, because it cannot be negative, it is given, it is a positive quantity. So x is equal to 3. This should be your answer. I hope this is pretty much clear, guys. There are 20 members in a group. On replacing a member of age 28 years by a new member, so there is new member coming in place of this particular person, the average age of the group is decreased by 3 months. Find the age of the new member. Very simple to understand. See, let's say the average of these 20 people is A, right? So what is total of these 20 people? Total is nothing but average into number of people. So 20A, this was the total, right? Now what is happening? From this total, one person whose age is 28 years is subtracted, but there is new person, let's say person N is new person's age, is added to the group, right? Now what is happening? Of these 20 members, new average got decreased by 3 months. 3 months is nothing but what? Is 1 by 4 years, right? So the new average is becoming, or is reduced by 1 by 4. A is number of years, so we converted this 3 months into number of years. Please try to understand. This is total age of 20 people. One person is going away and one person is entered into the picture. This is new total. This is new total of the group. The new total can also be calculated with the help of this number of people into new average, right? This is also new total of 20 people, and this is also new total of 20 people. I hope you understood this equation. Okay, so this is 20A minus 28 plus N is equal to 20 into 4 into a 4a minus 1 by 4, right? So this is 4 1 4 5 is this, and so it will be 20a minus 28 plus n. 5 into 4a is 20a minus 5. So 28 will go out, n is equal to this minus 28 will go here and will become positive 28. 28 minus 5 is 23. N, which is a new person joined, the age of that new person is 23. I hope you understood this. I hope this is pretty much clear, guys. Okay, great. Average of 15 numbers is calculated as 50. It is discovered later that while calculating the average, one number 25 was incorrectly read as 10. Find the correct average. Okay, so average of 15 numbers is calculated as 50. So what is total? Total of 15 numbers is average into number of terms. Average is 50, number of terms are 15, so it was 750. But there is some mistake. What is that? It is discovered later that while calculating the average, one number 25 was wrongly read as 10, right? So we have taken 15 less here. We have taken 15 less while calculating this total. So we have to add 15 to get the correct total. So the correct total will be this. This is our correct total, right? So what will be correct average? Our number of terms are still 15, right? So what is our correct average? So average is total, correct total upon number of terms. So 765 divided by number of terms, this will be 15 5, 15 1. So the new average or the correct average should be 51, because our correct total should be 765 and not 750. I hope you understood this. X is equal to p% of y and y is equal to 5% of x plus y. Then p is equal to what? Okay, so let us go with the question. X is equal to p% of y or py upon 100, and y is equal to 5% of x plus y. We'll put the value of x here. X is p by 100 into y. Okay, p% of y. So y is equal to 5 by 100 into p upon 100 or py upon 100 plus y. Okay, great. Let's do it. Now, 5 by 100 or 5 py by 100 square plus 5 by 100 y is equal to y, right? So y is in each term will get divided. That's it, right? So here LCM will be 100 square. So we have to multiply this by 100. So this by 100. So it will be 5p plus 500 upon 100 square is equal to 1, right? Or 5p is equal to 100 square is nothing but 10,000 minus 500, right? Or divide each term by 5, 5 1, 5 2, 2000 and 100. So P is equal to 1900. I hope you are understanding it, right? Please pause it and go back and check what we have done. Very simple, go with the question. Even if the question is tricky, but just go with the flow and you are going to get the answer, right? P is equal to 1900. I hope this is pretty much clear, guys. The monthly salary of B is 30% more than that of A, and the monthly salary of C is 20% less than that of A. Great. The monthly expenditure of B is 70% of his salary, whereas monthly savings of C is 20% of his salary. Then which among the following is monthly expenditure of C as a percentage of the same of B closest to? Okay, great. Let us start the question. Let us start solving this question. Monthly salary of B is 30% more than that of C, and the monthly salary of C is 20% less than that of A. Now we have A common in both the statements. Let us consider A as 100k. So the salary of A is 100k. So the salary of B is 30% more than this person. So it will be 130k. And salary of C is 20% less than this person. So salary of C will be 80k. That's it. Okay. The monthly expenditure of B is 70% of his salary. Expenditure, I'll put expenditure here. Okay. 70% of his salary. What is 70% of this? 91k. I'm sorry, 91k. So what is savings? Saving of B is 39k. Great. Okay. Whereas the monthly savings of C is 20% of his salary. 20% of this will be 16k and 80% will be 64k. Expenditure of C is this. Expenditure of B is this. This is what our question, I guess. Then which of the following is the monthly expenditure of C? Monthly expenditure of C is 64k. Okay. As a percentage of the B. So B is our base, which is 91k. Right. So this value of expenditure of C is what percent of expenditure of B, right? Expenditure of B. What is this percent? Percent, just multiply this fraction by 100. Or you can think like this, see, because this will be a lengthy calculation. In fact, if calculators are allowed, this is just a cake thing, but I hope you understood the process. Now we are going to solve, don't worry. What is percentage? So see here. What is 10% of this? 9.1k, right? This is closest to 70%. So 9.1 is 10%. 70% will be into 7, which will be 63.7. Okay, but it is 64. So answer should be slightly more than 70%. Yes or no? Yes or no? I hope you are understanding. If you calculate, let's say 71%, right? 71%. That means you are adding 1% to this. 1% of this value is 0.91 or approximately 1, which will be this. But our value is 64. So answer should be between 70 to 71%. The only option that satisfies is this. I hope you understand. Even if calculators are not allowed, just calculate and think of base 10%, 50%, or this value is 70%, close to 70% of 9. And so, or multiple of 7, and so we got 70%, and then this is how we are getting the answer. I hope you are understanding this, right? We have already discussed these things in our basic percentages and all those topics. Please go and watch them.